Reading with your child, Part 2, Phonics in Practice. Start by looking at the front cover. Ask your child to read the title. In this example, the G in magic could pose a problem because your child will know that G makes a G sound, but here it says J. Ask your child a question to help them focus on the meaning of the words. For example, what magic do you think the pen will do?
But the man in the shop thought
So this word says
for
good, and this part says
got
put them together.
forgot the ink. I'll make my own
Yeah.
ink, said Mr. Big. No, said Mr. Big. We must,
And then this bit here, mustn't. Well done.
Waste the ink. No,
Say that word again.
now let me think. Then, with a shy
That's correct.
smile
This makes an I sound.
smile on his big face. Mr. Big wrote Mrs. Big.
Okay.
Yes, said the mouse. Mouse, you wrote mouse, so her
That's a tricky word.
here I am.